Hi everyone, this is Ritu Dillon from Upside Down Labs and today we are going to unbox DIY Neuroscience Kit Basic. Let's get started. First up, you will get this thank you card. On the back of this card, you will find all the details to apply for Project of the Month. By applying, you can get a chance to win amazing cash prizes, discount coupons and a chance to be featured on our social media channels and newsletters. Then, we have this pamphlet to get you started with the kit. We also have a user manual for Biopotential pill. This walks you through everything step by step by making the right connection to actually visualizing your body and brain signals. You will also get these cute little stickers. You can stick them anywhere, literally anywhere. And here it is, the Biopotential pill, main protagonist of this kit. This tiny pill lets you record 4 types of biopotential signals: ECG, EMG, EOG and EEG. The Biopotential pill is tested 3 times before shipping, so there are little to no chance of receiving a defective unit. That said, please double check your connections. If the wiring is wrong, the pill will get damaged. Make sure you read every document in the kit carefully for detailed instruction. After that, we have got the dry electrode band. You can use the heart biome band to record ECG, muscle biome band to record EMG and brain biome band to record EEG. To use them, join the strap on the both ends of the band, then use the buckle to tighten or loosen it for better fit. To get better quality signals, you can try applying this electrode gel on the dry electrodes of the biome bands. Then we have the gel electrodes. Here's a 24-piece gel electrode pack with boxy, baby, oval and penta-shaped electrodes. And we also have 100-piece pack of boxy gel electrodes. You will need a lot of these for your HCI and BCI projects. Each of these packs has a QR sticker on the front that you can scan to quickly buy more electrodes when you run out. Gel electrodes are disposable. You should use them once and then dispose of them. Before placing the gel electrodes or biome band, you will need the new prep skin preparation gel and wet wipes. These help you prepare your skin before signal acquisition to remove dirt, dead cells and oil from the skin so you can get cleaner recording. The kit includes an Arduino Uno R4 Minima along with USB-A to USB-C cable to process signals from the Biopotential pill. Then we have 3 jumper cables for making the connection with the Biopotential pill. We have the BioM V3 cable that connects your Biopotential pill to BioM band or gel electrode. Most of the items in the kit have a label on them. It is easy to identify everything while you are setting up. The links to purchase this kit are available in the description box below. We can't wait to see what you are going to build with this kit. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and drop a comment. Until then, keep tinkering. From Upside Down Labs and today we are going to unbox छोटू उपासना करके मुक्का मार दूँ Upside Down Labs.